Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this short tutorial we are taking a look at the Paste Transpose feature in Microsoft Excel. Paste Transpose is a quick way to swap data from a row into a column, and vice versa. This can be useful when you need to rearrange data in your spreadsheet. Maybe you receive a file from a colleague, or directly from a system, that you think would be better if it were arranged differently. In our example we have a sheet to record ratings for different aspects of movies. The movie names are listed across row 3, and the rating labels are listed in column B. Whilst creating the sheet, it occurs to us that because our list of movies is likely to continue to grow and cause the sheet to scroll, it would be better if the movies were listed in a column and the rating labels moved to a single row, as they are likely to remain constant. Rather than retype or individually copy and paste the movie names, we can highlight them all, and right-click to copy the data. Then we can right-click on the cell where we want to paste the data, but rather than clicking Paste like we typically would, we can click Paste Transpose. Now you can see the movies have been transposed into column B. We can then delete the original data and type our rating labels back in. Thanks for watching this short video. If you learned something new or refreshed your existing knowledge, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel.